Bowerbird Blues. You can see a bird, a blue bird. I'm a collector, always looking, finding and keeping, swooping, snatching, soaring, scavenging. Oh, how I love blue. A skerrick, a scrap, a piece of blue. If only I could find the perfect hue. Aha! Treasure! Magnificent cobalt, brilliant, vibrant blue. My belly is full, my wings are strong, and my collection is growing. But something is missing. What could it be? Peeping, peering, perhaps I will find it. Over there. Is it blue? Turn the page. It's not enough. There must be more. Page. Searching, seeking, up above. Is it there? More blue. That must be it. Soaring up, up into the blue. Oh, how I love the sky and moving through the marvelous blue. But I can't hold it, can't grasp it, sliding, slipping through the air, free falling down, 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 into wanting and wandering, fluttering, fidgeting in all this grey. Sad. In the distance, what's over there? Gliding, hoping. Oh, how I love the sea. Glistening, calling, so much blue. Splash! But it's cold. I see blue, diving, sinking down, 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 deeper into the blue. No, this can't be it. Too frosty. My tears. Will I ever find it? Turn the page. My eyes open to the light of a new day. What is this? Sparkling blue. My collection has grown. If I place it just right, bit by bit, sorting rows of 8, patterns of 4, puzzles of 2, pieces of 1, that's how it goes. Prancing, dancing. Add a little splinter, twig upon thread, leaf upon grain, bits and bobs, building up, up, up. It grows higher and stronger, weaving, tinkering. Finally, a place of my own made from the wonderfulness of blue from far and wide. I feel stronger too, and closer to discovering what's missing. Hush! A crackling and rustling in the leaves. What could it be? This is it! I found it! At last! All this time it wasn't blue. Turn the page. What could it be? It was you. Always you. Smiling, soaring, floating, feeling, sharing, nesting, cuddling, snuggling, loving, knowing how much I love you. You are more than blue can ever be. And we're finished.